play the Ukrainian national anthem. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. I use 2 notes for the melody so that it's getting a little bit of a choral sound. We're in the key of G, and we start on a G and a B. Then to an F sharp and an A. Back to the G and the B. A and C. B and D. A and C, G and B. F is sharp and A. E and G. G and B. D sharp and F sharp. D sharp and B, E. Then we go to the D sharp and F sharp, E and G, F sharp and A, G. Then we do it again. Ending with an E. Then we get into the chorus, and it starts on a D sharp and F sharp. D sharp and B, and then you just come down A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, E, D sharp, and F sharp. Now you can hold that D sharp through if you want, or you can let it up. Then you go back to the D sharp and F sharp, E and G twice, F sharp and A twice, G and B twice, again D sharp and F sharp. Now we have E and G, G and B, D sharp and F sharp, D sharp and B, E. Then that run up into the tag verse, we start on this E and then we just run it up 2 notes at a time, D sharp and F sharp, E and G, F sharp and A, G and B, A and C, B and D. It'll sound up to tempo, it'll sound like this. And you want to sound heroic on that B and D. B and D, A sharp and C sharp, B and D, G and B, F sharp and A, F sharp, and D, C, B, A, E and G, E and G, F sharp and A, F sharp and A, G and B. Then we just turn it. F sharp and A, G and B, A and C. Then we do it again. Now once again, you can hold that F sharp through if you want. So you can hold it through all those notes. Or you can let it off. E and G, G and B, D sharp and F sharp, D sharp and B, E. And then we just repeat that. Now right there, if you want to add to that turn, you can. You can double those notes. Or you can make it. If you want to get fancy with it. And then go to octave E's to end it. Now all we got to do is put the left hand and we've got it. G, D, G, A, B, D sharp, E, B, E, D, G, D, G, A, B, D sharp, E, B, E. Now you can go to either E there at the end. You can put an octave, but it sounds kind of growly if I play an octave on the setting that I have it. I have it on a choral piano setting, so you get a little bit of that voice in there. Now let's put this together. with the 2 E's at the end, and then we're into the chorus. Now the chorus, you'll have B, B, E, B, E, E, D, D, G, G, B. Do it again. E, B, E. And I end up on this E for the end of the chorus because you're closer harmony there, and then when you get that run into the tag, it sounds better. So the chorus, when you put that together, it'll sound like this. Tag verse. So the tag verse, you're going to have G, D, D, da, D, 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 da, D sharp, E, E, D, F sharp, G, D, and then D, G, G, D, D sharp, E, B, E, and on the last time through it, you play E, B, and then octave E's. So we'll end up with 4 E's. We'll end up with 4 E's there at the end. So the tag, putting it together. Now that D sharp comes with the B right there. And then you just come out of that with, we do it again. Now I don't usually add to that turn right there, because when I do, it messes me up to do it with 2 hands. See, I've got to put that D in there. I got to get that D in there, and it's easier if I just go. So that's the way I usually play it with 2 hands. If I was playing it just one hand, it's easy to do. But when you add that left hand to it, then you've got to synchronize that D with the A in there. Your G. See, you've got your G, and then you've got to synchronize that D in there. So I don't do that when I'm playing with 2 hands. So we'll get into it. There you have it, the Ukrainian national anthem. Opportunity for you to show your solidarity for freedom and your solidarity with the Ukrainian people. I hope you enjoy playing it.